Hello everyone. I know like many people don't know how to use Canva app for making resume and CV. So here the example like how you can make. Here I'm making a CV for my job interview. So yes, let's start. So here you can select whatever resumes you want. You can just select that template like whatever you are liking. Okay, so here is this. Okay. So these are like some are paid and some are like free, so you can use free version also. So I like this one. I will open. So I am showing you like you have a lot of example like sample templates, like you have a lot of like you can like see whatever you are liking, just tap on. So okay, so yes, I'm liking this one. Okay, so here is your CV. Okay, so here is your resume. Now you can change everything according to your job interview. Like I want to change my name, so just tap here, just get her name and write your name. Like for example, I'm writing Sakshi Shukla. Okay, you are a student, then don't change. And here you can change the profile as well according to your job interview. And here contact details also, you can change your number, change your email ID, change your address, and your education qualification also. And you can set these all the things also, like if you want language in here, so you can just tap here and just grab here. Okay, so you can do this also. Like this you can make your CV and you can change your profile picture also. And here you have a lot of like if you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. Okay, like this you can change your color, like if you want this color, then you can choose this color or white or any color, whatever you want for your CV you can choose. Yeah, this one is looking very bad. Yeah, so here also you can change the color. No, here you can't change, so yeah, let it be. If you want to change the color here, okay, yeah, yes, here also. So yeah, like this you can change your CV. Sorry, I did black color, I have to just this. Okay, yeah, so yes, like this you can make your CV. You can change your profile picture as well. And if you want to change like text style, text like size and everything, font size, color, format, so you can change like this, like this. Okay, like this you can change. Okay, so here you have a lot of like here you can put numbers, points, everything is available. Just you can look here also. The position also you can change, backward, forward, to front, to back, everything is available here. Okay, what is this? Sorry for that. You can delete also. Okay, if you write something wrong, so you can delete instantly. Here you have a gallery option also for the picture, so you can put any picture whatever you want. And here you can put any element also. Okay, for like phone number, for address, for anything, you can take this one. You can just make size smaller. You have to grab here and you can put here. Okay, it is very easy. You can use this app in a very well way. So yeah, like this you can put any kind of elements also. So here text size also, add a heading. Aapko, if you want to add main heading, so you can touch here. If you want to add subheading, so you can touch here. If you want add a little bit body text, so you can like touch here. You can take this. If you want these letters, though, you can use, like in resume you can't use these all the letters, but if you want, then you can for any other job. Okay, so this much I know about this app. So yes, if this information is useful, so please like, share and subscribe, and you can download your resume. Okay, so like this you can download. Here you can see, and you can send also like over the WhatsApp or the like anywhere, like Snapchat, anywhere you can send your CV. So yes, thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.